Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this brand new project share, something I've never made before, and it's completely different from my typical style. I've created a mini type of flip book, and it was so extremely fun. I used this Simple Stories 12x12 collection kit, Wildflower. Unbelievable cut-aparts, 4x6, 3x4, and 2x2s and 4x4s, you name it. Cardstock sticker sheet. We had an absolute blast deciding the name for this one. It's a very funny name. My Facebook group friends voted on a name. I created this cute little tassel for the side, and then I have my ribbon, actually the closure, running on the outside, and then I just popped up these images with some dimensional foam tape, and then I stuck a little birdie on there, life is golden, and I worked with vellum for the first time, and I just seriously had the most fun I think I've ever made, and I know I say this all the time. Wow. And right here, I'll leave the class link down in the description for you if you wanted to check it out. I just really flew away with this. All these little, I mean, come on, it's way too cute. This works up in a day. And you could just play. I allowed myself some creative freedom that I typically really don't. And you could put some 4x4 pictures in here, journal, wherever you want, and just play with it. 100% freedom right here. And I used a cute little heart stamp right there from Hobby Lobby, and I layered some pieces up here. And then I have cute little brads throughout the collection, a 2x2 little picture spot there, and then it's attached with some twine. So this is seriously chunky fun. 100% chunky fun. Popped up images, little 2x2 accordions for pictures or a little ephemera, whatever special day it was that you spent with your best friend or your family, whoever, wherever. Look at us, completely start to finish with you. I go and create this book. Oh my gosh. And this is just an adorable little pocket that we attached on here. And then I got some brads right there inside that little cut apart. And we just layered things up and really allowed our creativity to shine. Wild and free is exactly the way that I was feeling when I designed this book. And look at this cute little piece out of the cut aparts page. I just glued it right there. And then I have an adorable, oh my gosh, I gotta get a close up on this one. Really cute little clothespin right there. And list paper that I kind of jaggedly cut on purpose. More journaling space and vellum. Vellum has my heart. A couple stickers right there. And a simple flap. Wow, if you've never taken a class with me before, this is one that you can 100% make. And honestly, if you become a subscriber, you gain instant access to every class I've ever created in my entire career, which is about 73 at this time. Before the end of 2023. I kind of just angled this pocket. All good things are wild and free, completely customizable. I can see these being given away as quick gifts. And really, you could use any paper it is that you want. The tutorial uses this paper, but I mean, come on. I see Christmas. I see Halloween. Everything is here. And I went the extra mile, okay? And I made something even more mini. Something even more mini, which is right here. A couple of these little doodads just coming out of here. Oh, this little pocket. That's just way, I don't even know. I don't even know what to say. And all these just go right back inside. And then right here, I actually popped up one of these little photo mats that I made and then stuck that sticker there and layered some pieces there, and I just made my own banners. And that heart is a stamp from Hobby Lobby. And I just popped it up. I just love it. Thank you everyone so much for watching. It was an amazing experience to just kind of wrap this book entirely in design paper and use design paper only. And wow. I hope everybody has a beautiful day wherever you are, and I'll catch you in my class. Bye.